Good morning, sir. I'm Anjana Jawahar. I'm from Section 1 and my roll number is 21CE10010. So, as part of the DIY project number 2, I have created a smoke detector using Arduino in Tinkercad. So, for that, I have used an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a gas sensor, two resistors of 1 kilo ohm each, a red LED, a piece of speaker, a multimeter, and an oscilloscope. And this multimeter is used for getting the current readings through the LED, and an oscilloscope is used for getting the graphical representation of electric signals. Saying about the connections, out of the six terminals of the gas sensor, three of them are connected to a 5-volt source, and two of them are grounded, and one of them is grounded via a resistor. This is done to reduce the current to the gas sensor and thereby protect it. And similarly, to protect the LED, we have used a resistor here too. And the remaining one terminal is connected to the analog pin E0. The positive terminal of the piezo speaker is grounded and the negative terminal is connected to the digital pin number 13. The positive terminal of oscilloscope is connected with its positive terminal and negative with the negative. Similar connections are made here too. And then if we look at the coding part, first of all we create a variable smoke, and then it is set to read the analog pin E0. And the main part, that is, we use the control statement if else, such that then the condition is such that if the smoke is greater than 100, then the speaker that is connected to the on pin 13 is made to play with the turn 50 for 0.5 seconds, and the LED connected to the and digital pin number 12 is made to glow. In case its smoke is less than or equal to 100, the speaker is turned off and the LED stops glowing. And now let us check its stimulation. So now, as there is no current through the LED, the current reading is 0 ampere. And once the smoke approaches the sensor, we hear the beeping sound from the piece of speaker, and we get to see the LED bulb glowing with a rating of 2.97 milliampere. Now we may save the code, and then we may just import it. And we may import it in the Arduino IDE. And once we compile it, we get to see that it is successfully compiled with no errors. So that's it. Thank you.